Hello, here we are on June 29th, 2011. Just got started harvesting wheat. I'll show you what's going on. See what we've got done over to the edge of the popcorn there. Just getting started. And we've got all this to do yet. 110 acres altogether. Not a lot if you're from wheat country, but grow a little bit here in northwest Indiana. Not a whole lot. See, like a lot of the other videos, I'm not driving, we're auto tracking, and I'm actually using our John Deere 1800 monitor, so I'm not recording any yield. I actually don't even have a coverage map. All I've got is a track for guidance, which is all I need for this 110 acres. I'd use the other monitor, but we are replanting some beans and planning to double crop beans right behind this wheat, and we have to have that monitor to run the planter, which is be a little more important. Things are going pretty smooth. This header, we're using a John Deere 635F. It's brand new. Today's the first day we're using it. Works just fine, just pretty much like our last 635F. Just a couple little minor improvements. Just sent away our first truckload. I'm going to get a little more off tonight before we quit, and then we will hit it hard tomorrow and see how much we can get done. One other thing, you can see my rear view camera. Where I can see how well things are being spread out behind the combine. And if we turn around, see I got a hopper full of wheat back there. Looks like I got a little bit of trash in there, but that's alright. And coming up on the ditch here where I need to turn around. About my stopping point. And that's about it. Be sure to check me out on Twitter at The Farmer's Life, or you can see my blog at thefarmerslife.wordpress.com. Thanks for watching.